Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So today I want to teach you how to draw your market structure the right way, and I also take some time to talk about how to actually identify if you are dealing with a minor trend or a major trend. Okay, so basically let's just get right into it. What do I mean by how to draw your market structure the right way? As you already know, price moves in three ways: sideways, uptrend, or downtrend. Okay, so let's say market is moving in an uptrend. You have your higher highs and higher lows like this, okay? And for you to actually identify a level as a swing high, you need a minimum of two candles moving in the opposite direction, okay? So if you have a single candle pulling back in the opposite direction, that this level is not going to be identified as a swing high. So that's how to correctly draw your structure. Make sure you have a minimum of two candles pulling back in the opposite direction before you can call this level your swing high. Same goes for this other level, okay? So in the same vein, when you're talking about a downtrend, you have lower highs and lower lows forming. For you to call this level a lower low, you would need a minimum of two bullish candles pulling back in this direction. That's what validates this level as validates it as your swing low. In the same vein, this one also, for you to call it your swing low, you need two candles moving in the opposite direction. Okay, so something else I want to talk about is, let's say you have an uptrend like this. This is your swing high, this is your swing high. You can call this HH, okay? Higher high, this is another HH right here, another higher high. In between these two levels, anything that happens, does not play out as a trend reversal. So let's say market starts giving you something like, okay, let me draw it in another way so you can understand what I'm trying to say. Look at this. I'm trying to click on this. Okay, look at this. Swing high, then market does something like this. Okay, then pushes up again. This is a swing high, this is a swing high. Now anything that happens in between does not signify a trend reversal. This is known as a minor trend. Okay, it's a minor trend because this particular high here has not been broken. So long that high has not been broken, no matter the formation price prints out here that looks like a downtrend, you are not to consider it as a downtrend. It's a mini trend or a minor trend. Okay, the major trend is still being respected. Until this high gets broken, you are still in an uptrend. So this is a trick that a lot of beginner traders fall for. Okay, it's a trap people fall for, but with time, as you advance when it comes to this particular industry, you get to understand the difference. So sometimes you have something like this, okay, then price starts printing something that looks like a downtrend, so you believe it is time to sell. It is not time to sell. I understand that in this area lower highs and lower lows are being printed, and in your theory, okay, theoretically you already understand that anytime you're having lower highs and lower lows, it's a downtrend. So you jump in order to sell, not knowing that it's just a minor trend. The major trend is still holding. The only time you can jump in to sell is if this high right here has been broken to the downside. Then you can expect a retest of it in order to keep moving in the downward direction. So I'm just giving you these tips and tricks so that you understand how the market works. So that's a minor trend within a major trend. It's not to be respected until one of the levels of the major trend is broken. Okay, so let's go over some examples. I just want to show you some examples on the charts. Okay, so let's go over some examples on the chart. This is sideways market, that's why I'm skipping it. I'm looking for an area where you have a trend. Okay, I think this market is just going sideways. I'm looking for an area where there is a trend. Let's see. Okay, I think it's trending around here. I need a trending area so I can use it to explain the concept I just talked about. So right now this is an eye, right? This level is an eye. Okay, this is an eye right here. I've placed an horizontal line on that eye, and you can see we are moving in the downward direction. But let's follow our rule now. If you have not watched this market structure video before, you might come and place an horizontal line under this. Okay, you might come and place an horizontal line under that, calling it a swing low in the major trend. That's not a swing low in the major trend. Okay, because based on our rules, this is just a single candle in the opposite direction, right? This is just a single candle. This is just a single candle in the opposite direction. So we need two candles in the opposite direction. We might still pass it as one of the lows because it has like a doji before it. I don't know if you can see it. So we can still pass it, but it's not an A plus swing low. For an A plus swing low, we need two bullish candles moving in the opposite direction. But this is like a combination of a doji. Can you see the doji right there? And then a bullish candle. So we can still pass it as a low. But this is the A plus low. This second one right here. Why? Because we had two candles in the opposite direction. So if I'm to draw my market structure, I'm placing one horizontal line here. Let me copy that. Place another horizontal line right under this. Okay. This is another swing low right here. Two candles in the opposite direction. This is another swing low. This is to be disregarded. We disregard this one. Why? Because it's just a single candle pullback. So it's not going to be part of our structure. We are drawing out the major structures now. This is another swing low right here. Why is it a swing low in our major structure? Because we had a minimum of two candles moving in the opposite direction. So whatever is happening in between these levels does not concern us. We are still treating it as a downtrend. Okay, so basically that's just how to draw your structure. I can still see this is another swing low right here. Let me get an horizontal line. That's another swing low right there because we had two candle pullbacks right there. Okay, this one is to be disregarded when it comes to drawing the major structure. This one is to be disregarded because it's a single candle pullback, but we have to regard this one as one of our major swing lows. And you can see the way price is just dancing between coming to this part and pushing down, showing you that it's a strong level. Okay, so that's how you draw your market structure. So look at this, whatever is going on here, we are still in a downtrend. Okay, until this level is broken. Okay, when this level is broken and retested, we are still in a downtrend until this level is broken to the upside and retested. Then we have maybe some kind of candle formation. That's when we can now start considering taking a buy. But so far so good, we are still going to keep anticipating sales. Okay, so look at this. This is under swing low right here because we had up to two candles, so we can take this one as a swing low. Okay, this is under swing low right here. Below this level, another swing low right here because we had up to two candles in the opposite direction. Okay, so we have this. All right, so basically that's just how to now look at what happened around here. The last swing low was broken, retested, and then we had a candle formation. Okay, that broke above this high. All right, so that's a change of character. Now we are starting to move into a different trend. Okay, so this low was broken, which is part of our major structure. It was broken, retested, and then this is now a new swing high. Why is it a new swing high? It's a new swing high because we had two candle formation in the opposite direction. You can see that those two bearish candles. So this passes as a new swing high. So once that swing high is broken, we are now in an uptrend. Okay, so this is how the uptrend played out. Now, one advantage of this system is if you can master it, it can help you catch the beginning of a trend. Okay, it can help you catch the beginning of a trend. Okay, so basically that's what I have for you today. Hope you've learned one thing or two in terms of drawing your market structure levels. If you're a new viewer, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.